Okay, guys, let's look at what next on Euro USD. Let's see if we can find something that we can use as a point of reference. Okay, let me just look at this. Okay. Okay. This is what we have here. These are significant level here. We're going to use this as a point of reference to our sell setup. Okay, so let me just put up everything here, and then comes again here, we have something that we can use as a point of reference here. If you look here, you can see that price is nearly approaching to this level here. Okay, so these are significant level here. These are significant level. So since we're going to be putting up sell limit here, you're going to put your stop loss above this high that you see, either 5 to 10 pips, it's up to you, but just put it above this high that you see. Put your stop loss there, and then you put your sell limit and wait for price to decline. Okay, same thing that happens here. You just put your okay, let me put this. Okay, you're just gonna put your sell limit here. Okay, and then you're gonna make sure that you put your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so don't be shocked if you get to see price moving a little bit, going up maybe to this area that we see here. If you see price coming up a little bit, we expect it to get to this area, then we get to see price decline. Okay, so the reason why we pick up this area, it's because it's not guaranteed that price might actually get here. Okay, so the safest thing to do is to put our sell limit here so that we don't get to miss the entry. So without any, okay, let's look at yeah, that's what we have, guys. So let's look at gold. We have a gold, yeah, and if you let me just try to zoom in and see what we have on gold. Okay, is it going down? Okay, but just looking at what we have always been, I've always been saying the same thing: price imbalance, price imbalance. Everything that we do, it revolves around price imbalance. So this is gonna be our main objective, that we're gonna be waiting to see what price does when it gets to this level, and then we expect to go short at this level. Okay, so let me just put this price tag so that you get to see. So when price get to this level, it might actually come a little bit here just to spike this level that you see here. Okay, just to spike this level that you see here before you see price decline. So your stop loss is gonna be here. Okay, so if you feel like you put your sell limit here, it's gonna increase your stop loss. What you can do is actually wait for price to actually decline when it gets to this level. So that means you're not going to put your sell limit. Okay, you just wait for price to decline at this level. Or what you can do, which is something that I usually do even now. I can simply put maybe lot size 0.01, okay, so that I get to be notified when it is activated. So then once it's activated, then I can execute more positions, okay. But either way, it's up to you how you strategize your thing to do it. So as for take profits and stuff like that, I will upgrade you. I will update you on the mentorship group, because remember, as price is moving up, there are certain things that price will leave behind here. Let's say the move going up here, price will leave something behind here that we can use as an institutional reference point to take profit. Okay, so I can't really give you take profit based on that. Okay, so here's the thing that we also have here. We have price imbalance here. Okay, price imbalance here, which started somewhere here. Okay, so this is gonna be a reference point that we are looking at. Remember guys, this is gold for our time frame that we are looking at. So this is gonna be a reference point, waiting for price to get to this level. And when price get to this level, you're gonna see price decline. Okay, same thing, you put your sell limit here, or your entry is gonna be here, your stop loss is gonna be here. Okay, let's also look at the downside, because price might surprise us, although what we have been waiting for, it didn't happen as we were anticipating. So if you get to see here, we have a institutional reference point at this level. Let me just copy and paste this just to make it straight. Okay, remember, everything we do, it revolves around price imbalance. If you see here, we have price imbalance, so price is going to come and fill in everything, and then when price get to this level, let me put this price tag. Okay, so these are the significant level that we have on gold. So I'm not much concerned about where price is gonna go from now. I'm not trying to predict that. The only thing I know is when price get to this level, there is a certain reaction that I'm expecting, and when price get to this level, there is what a certain reaction that I'm expecting. So I'm concerned about what price will do at this level, and the reason it's simple is because these are my significant level that I've marked. So what price is actually doing here, I don't care about it. And if you get to see something, for an example, look at this, how price has been going up here. Since here, you see here, price has been going up in a form of compression. Okay, but then what follows, we see a shoot, and now you can see that price is going up in a form of what, compression, and after that we're gonna see what, we're gonna see a shoot. Okay, so these are the reference point where we can say our price is gonna come to this level, and when it gets to this level, it's gonna drop heavily. Okay, because the way the market moves, it's compression, then shoot, compression and shoot. That's what happens all the time. That is why you always see compression and shoot, compression and shoot. Because right now, as you can see, as the market is busy doing some compression and stuff like that, it's simply building up some orders, collecting orders on both sides. Okay, so whatever side get to win, that's the direction the market is gonna pick. Okay, but we definitely know that here we have a reference point, so the market will go down, and here we have a reference point. So it depends on price, which one will be our major setup, because it might happen that when price get to this level, it doesn't retrace that much, and then when finally it gets to this level, it reacts that much. Or sometimes it can react that much when it gets to this level, and then when it gets to this one, it doesn't react that much. Or sometimes it can react much on both levels. Okay, so the best thing to do when price get to this level, get to decline, you need to protect your profit all the time. Protect your profit all the time. Okay, so without any waste of time, guys, let me pause this video. We'll talk later on our next video. Shalom.